Hi, I'm Kim McCarl, the Communications Officer for Contra Costa Health Services. Our department has been fielding many questions since we announced the extension of the shelter in place through the end of May. I'm here with Dr. Chris Farnitano, who's the Health Officer for Contra Costa County, to talk about a variety of topics that people have been asking about. I'd like to start today with some questions about sports and recreation. I'll give you a list, and then if you'll tell me yes or no, and then we'll kind of go through some that we're getting lots of questions about.
Sure.
Let's start with golf.
Okay. So golf is allowed. Golf is an activity that people can do with social distancing. They don't have to share equipment. So this is a very low risk activity.
Basketball.
Basketball, on the other hand, is a contact sport. People play close together, and it's hard to social distance in that activity, so that's not allowed.
Tennis and pickleball.
So tennis, if you're playing singles tennis, you can social distance, so that is allowed. Same with pickleball.
So swimming pools, lots of questions about swimming pools.
So swimming pools, even though there's chlorine in the water, you're breathing above the water, you're getting in and out of the pool, you're going into changing rooms. It's really hard in a public pool to social distance. On the other hand, there are camps that may have swimming as part of a camp, and we have specific guidelines around camps that camps need to be in small, stable groups of 12 children or less. And if they can follow those activities, they can have close contact activities like swimming, like contact sports, but only within that group. So a group of 12 in a camp can't play another group of 12 in another camp.
And if I have a pool in my backyard, it's okay for my family, but not the neighbors, right?
That's correct. We want households to stay together and not mix with other households.
What about skate parks?
So skate parks are allowed because you can stay apart and be careful and social distance in a skate park.
And soccer?
Soccer is a contact sport, so not allowed.
So I think people think about baseball not as a contact sport, but there are lots of points in the game where it really does become a contact sport.
Exactly. So you can toss a ball with your friend far away, but playing the game of softball or the game of baseball, that's really a contact sport and it's not allowed.
We want to thank Dr. Farnitano for being here today to help us understand these questions. There's a huge amount of information available on our website at cchealth.org, and we update it constantly. We really encourage you to spend some time there looking at our frequently asked questions, and then also to let us know what questions you have so we can do a better job of making sure that whatever information you need is included on our website.